This video shows how I use the power of AI to free up my Gmail messages. So I opened up my favorite AI assistant and asked it to write some code in Python for finding out which email messages I should delete. Now this video is a very honest one. It shows how the AI tool which I was using wrote the code, and even though the code didn't work in the first go, it kept on trying. It added debugging messages, it suggested various approaches, it even told me how to configure the settings in the Google web page. So after a number of attempts, it finally succeeded in getting things right, and as you will see in a few seconds, I got what I was looking for. There you go, emails sorted by the size. I also wanted something more, like the total size based on each category, and not only that, I wanted a pie chart. I asked my AI tool to generate the code, and it did so perfectly well. I'm really happy with how the pie chart came out. You can see the code from GitHub by following the link in the description. Thanks for watching.